Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna solve this functional equation. And but before we start solving, guys, I would like to thank you for being here and for your time, for your support, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment, please. So let's get started. Well, we have this expression here, and then we have to find f of x, right? So before start solving actually what we want to solve, let's make some I'm gonna try some values of x here. Okay, so um, let's say that this denominator here, 3x minus 1, it has to be different from 0, right, in this case here. So for this expression, x has not to be 0 because we're not going to have nothing here. We're going to have f of infinity, right, because it doesn't work. So for x equals 1, let's see what we find here. So we're going to have then f of 3, then we will have here 3, right? 3 to the 1 plus 1 is 4, and then here we're going to have 3 to the 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 by 2 is 2, so we're going to have f of 2 equals to this one here would be 3 to the 3 plus 3 square divided by 3 to the 3 here plus 1, and then this would be 36 divided by 28, and if we simplify here by 4, we're gonna have then that f of 2 is equals to 9 divided by 7. Okay, it means that when we find our f of x and then we replace the x in the function, we have to find 9 over 7. So let's see if this is accurate. So I'm gonna pick up our expression and I'm gonna write it differently, right? So this is 3 to the x plus 1 divided by 3 to the x minus 1, and then I'm gonna say that this is 3 to the x to the power of 3 plus 3 times 3 to the x, okay, and then divided this by 3 times 3 to the x, right, to the 2 plus 1. Now this is going to be really useful, so that we're not going to need to isolate x, but we're going to just need to isolate 3 to the x here. So now let's say that 3 to the x plus 1 over 3 to the x minus 1, this is equal y. So from here we have then that 3 to the x plus 1 is equals to y, which multiplies 3 to the x minus 1, and then 3 to the x plus 1 is going to be equals to 3 to the x times y minus y. So, and then we have that 1 plus y is equals to 3 to the x times y minus 3 to the x. So now y plus 1 plus y, which is the same thing, right? So 3 to the x is y minus 1, and then we have that that 3 to the x is equals to y plus 1 divided by y minus 1. So this is what we wanted to find. I'm not going to isolate x here because we already did this work here. So now we're going to substitute this value of 3 to the x in this expression, right? So then we're gonna have f of y will be equals to y plus 1 over y minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 times y plus 1 over y minus 1, and then this divided by 3 times y plus 1 over y minus 1 square, right? This one plus 1. So this is one replacing the values of 3 to the x here. So now I'm gonna solve the numerator here. So let's say the numerator is gonna be let's say this is 1, right, the numerator. So, and then we're gonna solve this. This is y plus 1 over y minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 y plus 1 over y minus 1. Okay guys, so I'm just basically going to simplify this, and well, this is, I can write this as y plus 1 to the power of 3 over y minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3y plus 1 over y minus 1. So finding a common denominator here, we have to multiply this one by 1 minus y to the power of 2, right? And here by 1, so we're gonna have that this one here, right, this is gonna be equals to this is y plus 1 to the power of 3 minus 3, which multiplies y plus 1 y minus 1 square, all divided by y minus 1 to the power of 3. So from here we have then that this is going to be equals to let's factor out x plus 1, and then this will multiply y plus 1 square minus 3 y minus 1 square, right? So, and this all here divided by y minus 1 to the power of 3. So this one here will become y plus 1 over y minus 1 to the power of, sorry, this is not correct. So this is not correct here. So we have actually y plus 1 over y minus 1 to the power of 3, right? Then this multiplies y squared plus 2y plus 1 minus this one here would be minus 3y squared minus 2y, and then plus 1, close bracket, and then this is y plus 1. Guys, I'm gonna stop talking and just simplify this, okay? And then sorry, this is a plus, and oh my god, this is why I don't want to erase everything here, just want to erase something here and something here and something here. So this is plus 1 plus, and then minus 6, and then plus 3. So this is y plus 1 over y minus 1 to the 3, which multiplies, then this is going to be 4y squared minus 4y, and then plus 4. So we have then y plus 1 over y minus 1 y plus 1 over to the 3, and then this one here. So we can factor out y4 here, right? And then we would have just y squared minus 4y, and then plus, oh my gosh, what am I doing? And then this is y squared minus y plus 1. Guys, I think the video is getting kinda long, but there is no need for this video to be that long, but I'm gonna keep recording, and then maybe I'm gonna cut some stuff here. Okay, so now this thing here, guys, we have that this is, I'm gonna multiply these two here, so we have then that y squared minus y plus 1, we're multiplying by y plus 1. We know that this is y to the 3, right, plus 1. Okay, so now this is 4, which multiplies y to the 3 plus 1 over y plus 1 to the power of 3. Okay, this is just the numerator, and now we're gonna find gonna solve the denominator, which is 2, right? So if the denominator, I don't know why when I'm talking and recording the video, like a simple solution becomes too long. But I don't want to be in silence in the channel as well, so let's do it. So this is 3 times y plus 1 over y minus 1 square, and then plus 1. So this is 3 times y plus 1 square, right, and then plus y minus 1 square, all divided by y minus 1 to the power of 2, right? So this is then 3, which multiplies y squared plus 2y plus 1, and then minus plus actually y squared minus 2y, and then plus 1, and then this divided by y minus 1 to the power of 2. So now this will become this is 3, this is going to be 4y squared, just simplifying this, guys. This is going to be 4y squared. We're going to have 4y squared, right? And then 6 minus 2, we're going to have plus 4y, and then 3 plus 1, we're going to have plus 4, and then this divided by y minus 1 to the power of 2. I think this is what we were looking for, or something is missing actually here. Let me think. So this would become 4y squared plus y plus 1 divided by y minus 1 square. Okay, cool. And then we're going to organize our, so now we have that f of y is equals to let's see what we got here. 4, right? This is not minus, this is not actually a minus, this is 4, which multiplies what? Y plus 1 to the 3, y plus 1 to the 3. Let me actually write this again. This is going to be, so f of y is going to be equals to we're going to have this one here, right? 4y plus 1 to the 3 over y minus 1 to the 3. I mean, this is wrong. We have 4, which multiplies y to the 3 plus 1 over y minus 1 to the 3, and then divided by 4, which multiplies y squared plus y plus 1, okay, divided by y minus 1 square. So we're gonna simplify 4 with 4, and then we're gonna simplify this 1 and this 3, and then this will become y to the 3 plus 1 divided by y minus 1, which multiplies y squared plus y plus 1, and then this one will become y to the 3 plus 1 over this one multiplied, we're going to have multiplying these two here, we're going to have y to the 3 minus 1. So we have now at the end that f of y is equals to y to the 3 plus 1 over y to the 3 minus 1. And then it means that f of x is equals to f of x is equals to, let me erase this. So our f of x is equals to x to the 3 minus 1 divided by x to the 3, plus 1 divided by x to the 3 minus 1. But remember in the beginning when we said that if we replace the value of of 2, here we have to find 9 over 7. So let's see if we get the same thing here. So this is then gonna be f of 2, right? Let's find f of 2. We would have then 2 to the 3 plus 1 over 2 to the 3 minus 1. So we would have here, this is 8 plus 1 divided by 8 minus 1, and this is 9 over 7. And this is correct, guys. So our f of x is actually this one here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what you would do to solve this problem. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.